All right. Hey guys, it is April 15th, and here you go. So, this day has been given to me fresh and clear. Say it. All right, benchmark. Today, you guys are going to read Water Famine again. It's only 2 pages. It is a legend, so that's what you're going to be focusing on, what makes a legend. You're also going to be looking for figurative language, specifically similes. So similes are using like and as. So what I would recommend to you, if my link works, you should have kind of a graphic organizer to fill both these out. If for some reason it doesn't, I did make it on in my notebook. So you could maybe copy this, maybe you could freeze this, pause it, whatever. So what makes a legend? So focusing on an individual's power based on historical fact. It may include supernatural events. A legend is told about a particular place and connects to people's culture. It could contain a moral or a lesson. So those are some of the things you're going to try and identify in the Water Famine, the Native American legend that is in your book. And you're going to look for similes. Remember, similes are things that compared things using like or as. So if you were to copy this and put this in your notebook, a notebook, somewhere, that probably would be really helpful. So that is your benchmark for today. Writing, you are going to focus on your second paragraph of your 5-paragraph essay. So we're looking at the events that led to the American Revolution. You're going to focus on your first event and give some evidence that shows that that is one of the reasons that led to the American Revolution. So that's your second paragraph. And then math, you will be converting units of liquid. So today we're going to look at liters. So yesterday was meters, that was length. Today is liquid, that's liters. So we're going to have deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, deciliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. We don't use those too often, but that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead. In addition, today you are going to also be responsible for, yep, that's my handy dandy little, you're going to be responsible for half an hour again of iReady reading and iReady math. You need to be doing independent reading as you're going along, filling out any Padlets that you have. Do that. Yes, I'm surrounded by bees right now. It's kind of cool. Let's see. For math, make sure that you do your warm-up. Those of you that have not passed your multiplication and division facts, that is something that you should be taking upon yourself, because basically what we're doing here is we are now preparing you for Cooley. So that's one of the things you do need to have when you go to Cooley, is being able to multiply and divide with those, knowing your facts. So make sure you get on that. You will also have your PE must-dos, your music, and then your enrichment for today. You have science, story time, my read aloud, and then you have a walkabout, which is really cool. Miss Triplett was able to find some library, museum, kind of field trip type things you can do. So check those out. Okay, but for right now, we're going to look at our math, which is identical to yesterday, just different measurements. So we're doing liters instead of meters. But as far as converting them, it's exactly the same. It's a matter of moving decimals, you knowing how many places to move that decimal. For instance, if I give you 49 liters, the L, so you have to kind of pay attention to your abbreviations. It's right here in the middle, and I want to know how many milliliters that is. All right, so how many places am I going to move it? 1, 2, 3. So remember your invisible decimal, and you're going to move it 3 places. So 49. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to need to add some zeros. I'm going to erase that because that looks goofy. So 49,000 milliliters are in 49 liters. All right, so we'll try one more. Let's go 41 kiloliters equals how many liters? So we're starting over here. That was from another one. We're starting over here at kiloliters, and we're going to liters. So we're going to be going 1, 2, 3. So we have 41. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So basically, your job is to figure out, is it getting bigger or smaller? which direction are you moving that decimal? So having, again, keep this written on your paper up at the top somewhere, that will hopefully give you that visual. Refer back to the videos, and I think you have a little more instruction with your King Henry video to copy it on a piece of paper. It's kind of the same idea, which I told you to do yesterday. And then you have your homework pages. Make sure that you're following your daily plan that has been sent out. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I will see you today at 10 o'clock. So let's see what you can get done. Please, I will be needing your feedback. I don't know if I will give everyone an opportunity to share, just because I'm not sure if we'll have time. So I'll give you some free time, and then I'll give you some instruction. I'll take questions. Be prepared. If you have something to share, let me know, and we'll get to you. Okay, have an awesome day. Bye.